How to change language on ChatGPT on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch the language in ChatGPT application on your iOS or Android for more personalized experience. Here, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having an Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to open your ChatGPT application, and once you're in ChatGPT prompt, you have to click on these two horizontal lines at the top left. And once you do so, you're going to click on your profile over here, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you'll be able to see an option that would say app language. And now right now you can see that it is in English. So you can simply click on app language, and once you do click on that, you will be redirected to the ChatGPT settings. And here you're going to scroll down till you find the section of preferred language. So you're going to click on language. And here you can see that it is English right now, but you can scroll down and there are numerous languages that you can choose from. For example, I'm going to choose French, and then you can simply click on it. And after that, when you go back to your ChatGPT, you'll be able to see that by default, the language is French. So that is basically how you can switch the language in ChatGPT application on your iOS or Android. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.